Hello student of class 11, this is the continuation video of the AP. Find the sum of n terms 1 square plus 3 square plus 5 square up to n terms. First, in this type of sum, we have to find what is Tn. Then I will get T1, T2, T3 and adding them I will get the sum. So here Sn equal to 1 square plus 3 square plus 5 square up to n square that means up to n terms. This equal to 2r minus 1 square where r equal to 1 to n, right? That is, I can write Tn equal to 2n minus 1 whole square. Clear? This equal to 4n square minus 4n plus 1. From here, I will write T1 equal to 4 into 1 square minus 4 into 1 plus 1. T2 equal to 4 into 2 square minus 4 into 2 plus 1. In this way, I will get Tn equal to 4 into n square minus 4 into n plus 1. So, Sn equal to T1 plus T2 plus dash 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 up to Tn. This equal to 4 into 1 square plus 2 square plus up to n square minus 4 into 1 plus 2 plus up to n plus n 1 1 1 1, that means up to n equal to n. Summation of the square of the natural numbers, this equal to n into n plus 1 to n plus 1 by 6, we know it, minus 4 into n plus 1 by 6 plus n into n plus 1 by 2. So, this equal to 2 by 3 n into n plus 1 to n plus 1 minus 2 into n plus 1 plus n. If I take 1 by 3 common n, so I will write 2 n plus 1 to n plus 1 minus 3 n plus 1 plus 3, right? This equal to n by 3 to 2n square plus 3n plus 1 minus 3n. Minus 3 plus 3 cancel out. N by 3 4n square plus 6n minus 3n plus 3n plus 2. That means minus 3n. Four n square plus 6n. Here 2, this is 6. So, I will get minus 6n minus 6 plus 3, this is equal to minus 3. So, 4n square plus 6n minus 6n, 2 minus 3, that is, this is equal to minus 1. 4n square minus 1. This will be the answer. Next one. Find the sum of 1 3 5 plus 3 5 7 plus 5 7 9 plus up to n terms. This is S. So I can write in the same way, this equal to 2r minus 1, 2r plus 1 and 2r plus 3. This is here r equal to 1 to n. This is r sum of these terms. I will get this. If I put r equal to 1, I will get 1, 3, 5. So T n equal to 2n minus 1, 2n plus 1 and 2n plus 3. After multiplication, this will be 8n cube plus 12n square minus 2n minus 3. So T1 equal to 8 into 1 cube plus 12 into 1 square minus 2 into 1 minus 3. T2 equal to 8 into 2 cube plus 12 into 2 square minus 2 into 2 minus 3. In this way, Tn equal to 8 into n cube plus 12 into n square minus 2 into n minus 3. So S equal to T1 plus T2 plus dash dash plus Tn. This equal to 8. 1 cube plus 2 cube plus up to n cube plus 12. 1 square plus 2 square up to n square plus, sorry, this is 2 minus 1 plus 2 plus up to n minus 3 into n. This equal to 8 into n plus 1 by 2 whole square. Sum of the cube of the natural numbers, this equal to n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square plus 12. N into n plus 1, 2n plus 1 by 6 minus 2 into n plus 1 by 2 minus 3n. 2 cancel out, 6 2. This is 4 4. So this equal to 2. If I take n, then I will write n into n plus 1 square into 2 plus 2, n plus 1, 2n plus 1 minus n plus 1 minus 3. This equal to n square, 2n cube, 2n, 4n plus 1, 2n plus 2n square, 4n square, 3n, 6n plus 2n minus n minus 1 minus 3. This equal to n, 2n cube. This is 4n square, that means 8n square plus this is 6n, 2n square, 4n square. N into n plus 1, 2n plus 1. Eight n square minus 3, that is 1, 1, this is 2, that is 8n mm. 6n minus 4 plus 2, that means this is 2 minus 1 plus 1 minus 3, n into n plus 1 minus n minus 1 minus 3. 2n cube plus 4n square plus 2n plus 2n square plus 3n plus 2. This is 8n. 8n minus n, that is 7n. And this is 2 minus 1 plus 1 minus 3 plus 1 minus 3 minus 2. This will be the answer. I am ending here.